If this street existed somewhere else, no one would care. But this is Mashhad. And that changes everything. At first, it feels ordinary. People walking, cars passing, shops open. Nothing dramatic. But stay a little longer. And the details start to matter. This is Sayyad Shirazi Square and the arcades that surround it. Mashhad, at night. People don't come here by accident. Some say they're just out for a walk. Some say they're just killing time. But this street doesn't work like that. This street slows you down, even if you don't want it to. If you're still watching, this walk probably earned a like. If you want to see a side of Mashhad that feels even more restricted than this, I recommend watching my Rahnamai Street walk next. That street doesn't explain itself either. It just shows you what most people pretend not to see. You notice how people dress. How they walk. How confident they look, or pretend to be. Tight jeans, fitted coats, careful choices. Nothing random. They know where they are. They know who might be watching. And they keep walking anyway. Eye contact lasts just a second longer than usual. Long enough to mean something. Some people look away fast. Some slow down. Some pretend this street doesn't exist. But the street doesn't hide. Shows what it shows every night. This isn't rebellion. It's not protest, it's preference. And preference makes people uncomfortable. Nothing illegal happens here. Nothing extreme. Just people choosing how they want to look. This side of Mashhad isn't loud. It doesn't shout. It doesn't ask for attention. It's just there, visible. This isn't the Mashhad most people imagine, but it's still Mashhad. If this felt real to you, hit like. It tells me to keep filming streets like this. And if you think this street says something about the city, tell me what you noticed. Stay with the walk.